morning. How are you today?
Thank you, and you?
I'm very fine. Thank you. Okay, sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, now please look on the board. What subject we will study today? Can you read the first word? Can you read? Yes. What is it? Weather. Weather. Again, weather. Weather. How to spell weather? Do you know the meaning in Thai? No. Okay, very good. And the sentence. Can you read the sentence? What? Yes, good. What is the weather like today? So you look outside. What is the weather like today? Is it hot? Hot and sunny. Okay, it's hot and sunny. Next, we will look at the objective of today's lesson. The first, tell the meaning of weather symbol, and then you can ask and answer about the weather when you finish this lesson. Okay? Okay, good. And how many seasons in your country? What is your country? Where do you live in? Thailand. Good. So, how many seasons in Thailand? How many seasons? Three. Can you tell me what are they? Hot. Is it a season? We have summer. Summer, and then rainy season, and then winter. We have 3 seasons. But in Europe and America, how many seasons are there? 4. What are they? No, on the board, what are they? They are spring. Okay, spring, and then yes, autumn, and then summer, and the last
Winter.
So in Europe and America we have 4 seasons. They are spring, autumn, or fall. We can call it fall, and then
Summer.
and the last is
Winter.
Okay, very good. Now we have in Thailand, we have 3 seasons. We will review it. What is the season, or what are the seasons in Thailand? Winter, summer, and yes. And now in Thailand, what is the season now? Rainy season. Very good. Rainy season. We have rainy season for 6 months. Okay, very good. And then it's rainy season. Now can you read the sentence on the board, please? Okay. Can you read the sentence? What season
Is in Thailand now.
and the answer is
Is rainy season.
yes, very good. You are wonderful. Good student. And then next, now the word to describe the weather, we use the noun, and then we feel why to describe the weather. So the first word is rain. So we feel why, and we have rainy season, and then cloud. Do you know cloud? In the sky we have many clouds. Cloud, and then we plus with why, and then we have cloudy. Very good. And then wind. Do you know the wind? Yes, we put why, and then windy, and then snow.
Snowy.
And the last one, sun.
Sunny.
We have short sound for sun, so we have to double the last consonant. So we have how many n? How many n? 2. So we put n, and then we put y. We have sunny. Okay. Very good. Now, you look at the symbol on the board. Can you tell me what are the symbol? Number one?
Sunny.
Sunny. Good. Can you spell?
SUNNY.
Okay, good. Number two?
Crown.
Are you sure? Can you see the raindrop? Can you see? Raindrop, เม็ดฝน Can you see? Yeah, so it is raining or rainy. And then number three? Cloudy. Good. Number four? Snowy. Number five? We have the letter already. It's write down already. Partly cloudy. Partly cloudy. Sometimes sunny. Sometimes cloudy. So we say partly cloudy. Like now, sometimes it's going to be rain. Sometimes it's sunny. Like that. Okay. Number six. What is this? Windy. Good. Number seven. Wave. Can you see wave? This is the symbol of wave. Maybe some storm come to the part, this part. And then the last one, can you see the temperature? Thermometer say the temperature. The last one, is it hot or cold? Hot. And the blue one, it should be cold. Now we look at the answer. Is this okay? Number one, what is this? Sunny. Oh, sorry. Number one is?
Sunny.
Number two?
Rainy.
Number three?
Cloudy.
Number four?
Snowy.
Number five?
Partly cloudy.
Yes, good. Number six?
Windy.
Number seven?
Wave.
And the last one, number eight?
Hot and cold.
Hot and cold. The last one is hot. The blue one is cold. Sometimes we fill with plus and minus. Okay? You will see next slide. There are many kind of weather symbol. Number one, what is this? It's maybe cloudy. Number two?
Sunny.
Number three? You say minus. You see the minus symbol? It should be cold. Okay. If we plus the temperature, it will be hot, very hot. Hotter. And then the last one. The last one. Number 16. Can you see the plus symbol? So it should be hot, very hot like that. So you can learn more. You can search for the weather symbol, the other one, and you maybe look for the many kind of weather symbol. Here, many kind of weather symbol. You have to study more if you want to do and have a good marks. Okay? You can search from the internet. Okay? And then, now, when we talk about the weather, maybe we will talk like this. The sentence is, what is the first sentence? The first sentence, can you read? Was the weather like? Was the weather like? And then when we answer, we have many kinds to answer about the weather. The second sentence is usually in season, such as now, it's usually hot, hot, like that. For example, in summer, it's often usually hot, like that. You can use it usually, it's often, isn't often, like that. Many kind of sentence. Now I want you to write down this sentence. When you do the homework, you can use this sentence. Now, I give you 2 minutes to write down the sentence in your notebook. Okay? Are you ready? You will bring your notebook with you? Good. Okay, write down. Understand? Okay, good. You have to write the topic. Talking about the weather and then write down the sentence. 2 minutes. Please write quickly. Okay. Talking about the weather and then you write out what is the weather like. Okay, 1 more minute. Quickly, please. And this sentence will help you when you do homework. You can use these sentences when you do your homework today. And this is for present. What is the weather like? If you want to ask for the weather in the past, such as yesterday, you can change what was the weather like. What was the weather like for yesterday? And then for tomorrow, you can ask what will the weather be like? What will the weather be like tomorrow? Like that. You can ask for yesterday, today, tomorrow. Okay? Do you finish? No? Maybe you can copy around 1 or 2 sentences and then you can search for further your knowledge in internet like that. And you can have some sentence in your book too. Okay? Then next. Now you have to, don't copy, you have to listen to me. Now you have to listen to the weather. Listen to the weather and tell me how is the weather in Mexico City. Do you know Mexico? Yes. You have to listen carefully and tell me how is the weather like? How will the weather be like in Mexico City? And then if you can get the degree Celsius, tell me. You can catch or not. So listen carefully. Are you ready? Yes, good. And now I want you to read some of these words. Can you read? The first is excuse me. I have to close down this. Okay. Now again. I want you to read the word of the weather. The first is warm. Next, hot, and then dry, and then cold, and then mild. You can see this word in baby mild like that. Okay, and then rainy, and
snowy,
and
cool,
and
windy,
next.
sunny,
Next, wet. And the last, foggy. You can use these words when you listen. You find this. What is the weather like? Okay. Next, you listen carefully. Are you ready?
Sunny spells. In Mexico City, it will be sunny and dry tomorrow.
Can you get? How is the weather like? Can you get? Listen again. Listen carefully.
In Mexico City, it will be sunny and dry tomorrow. A nice.
Can you get? Yes. If you get, you write down in your notebook. If you get it, 2 words. And after listening, I will tell you what is the word. You have one more time to listen again and catch what is the degree Celsius that you can hear. You have to listen carefully, okay?
In Mexico City, it will be sunny and dry tomorrow, with a nice summer breeze coming in from the west. Towards the late afternoon and evening, there will be some cloudy periods, possibly bringing a few light showers, but they won't last long. Overall, it's going to be a hot day with temperatures reaching as much as 34 degrees.
Can you listen to the number? What is the number? I will play for you one more time. Okay.
In the city, it will be sunny and dry tomorrow, with a nice summer breeze coming in from the west. Towards the late afternoon and evening, there will be some cloudy periods, possibly bringing a few light showers, but they won't last long. Overall, it's going to be a hot day with temperatures reaching as much as 34 degrees. Moving further.
Okay. What the weather will be like in Mexico City? It will be dry and hot. Okay, it's hot, dry and hot and dry and hot and snowy. Cloudy. Cloudy. Yes. Yeah, we listen to some part of Mexico will be cloudy, but not long. So the whole weather is dry and sunny. Okay, listen again. Listen carefully.
In the city, it will be sunny and dry tomorrow.
Can you hear? Sunny and dry, and the weather is hot. And how much is the degree Celsius? 34. Okay, 34 Celsius. Is it hot? 34? Hot is maybe hot, I think. Okay, now this is the end of this period. Now you have to watch what is your homework today. So you like homework? Maybe some. Let me see. Where is your homework? So, to answer this question, what is the weather going to be like in Mexico? It will be dry and sunny and hot and partly cloudy like that. Okay. Now, for your homework, the first one, you have to draw. Can you read? What is the homework today? Can you read on the board? 1, 2, 3. Those symbols. Okay, you have to write the weather symbol that you learned today as much as you can, or you can find in the other kind of book or in the internet, and then you draw it. Now, if you can draw a good picture, it will be so pretty. And then you write down the word, such as if you draw the sun, and you write down the word. What is the word? Sunny. Or if you draw the cloud, many cloud, and you write down under the picture, you write down cloudy, like that, cloudy. So as much as you can. มากเท่าที่จะมากได้ ใครทำมากได้คะแนนมาก โอเคไหมคะ โอเคทำหน้าไม่ค่อยโอเคเลยนะคะ โอเค This is the first one. The next one. Describe the second one. Do you write down? Okay. Number 2. describe about the weather in Thailand now. Can you describe the weather in Thailand now today? Really? What season? Rainy season. And how is the weather? How is the weather now? Hot and sunny, like that. Hot and sunny. How much is the degree Celsius? กี่องศาคะใครมี thermometer? I don't know, but I feel very hot. Okay. So now you can write down the sentence for your homework today. Two number 1 and number 2. Do you want to write down? เขียนไม่ทันโอเคเสร็จแล้วเขียนค่ะเป็นไงทันไหมคะวันนี้คุณพูดเร็วไหมเร็วเหรอคะปกติพูดเร็วกว่านี้นะพูดเร็วกว่านี้เหรอคะวันนี้พูดช้าใช่ไหมเดี๋ยวคุณปิดเสียงก่อนนะ